Hello there, amazing viewers. Welcome back to my channel, MS Word Design, your ultimate destination for creative inspiration. In today's exciting video tutorial, I will show you how to create a stunning 3D text Facebook cover in Word in just a few minutes. Trust me, it's incredibly easy. Anyone can do this by following along. Check out this Facebook cover. Isn't it just stunning? If you're looking to create a cover for your Facebook profile, you can easily make one yourself in no time. No special design software required, just Microsoft Word and your creativity. Who knows? This Facebook cover might be exactly what you need. Before we dive into this tutorial, I have an exciting bonus waiting for you at the end of the video. So make sure to stick around. You won't want to miss it. So, are you ready to dive in? Enjoy the tutorial. Open the Microsoft Word document. First, save the file name of the Facebook cover in the Word document to get started. Adjust the size of the Word document. Watch the video tutorial for further assistance with the process. Be sure to convert your measurements from inches to centimeters or vice versa. Additionally, watch the video tutorial for further assistance with the process. Add the leather skin image as the background. Select Behind Text and click on Fix Position on Page to make the leather skin unmovable. Adjust the size of the leather piece. Format the leather skin by following the video tutorial. Select a text box from Shapes. Select In Front of Text, click Fix Position on Page. Select No Outline for the shape outline and choose No Fill for the shape fill. Adjust the size of the text box. Adjust the position of the text box. To center align the text, use the shortcut Ctrl+E. Change the font type of the text to Arial. Then, change the font size of the text to 250. Now, scale down the text size to 40% and reduce the spacing by 5 points. Watch the video tutorial to learn how to adjust the line spacing of the text. Enter the text in the text box. First, highlight the text in the text box, bolden the text using Ctrl+B. Then format the text according to the video tutorials. There are 9 gradient stops in total. The first color of the text gradient stop is dark yellow. The gradient stop is positioned at 0%, followed by the gradient stop 2. The second gradient stop is white. The position of the second gradient stop is set to 16%. The next stop in the gradient is gradient stop 3. The color of the third gradient stop is dark yellow. The position of the third gradient stop is set at 24%. Next, we will proceed to the fourth gradient stop. The color of the fourth gradient stop is gold. The position of the fourth gradient stop is set at 35%. The next is gradient stop 5. The color of the fifth gradient stop is gold. The position of the fifth gradient stop is set at 50%. Next, we move on to the sixth gradient stop. The color of the sixth gradient stop is gold. The position of gradient stop 6 is set at 72%. Next, we move on to the seventh gradient stop. The color of gradient stop 7 is dark yellow. The position of gradient stop 7 is at 81%. Next, the eighth gradient stop is white. The position is set at 90%. The next is gradient stop 9, which comes after the previous gradient stop. The color of the ninth gradient stop is gold. The position of gradient stop 9 is set at 100%. To format the text, go to the 3D format section and follow the video tutorial. Navigate to the 3D rotation section and implement the settings shown in the video tutorials. Apply text shadow by setting the preset format, adjusting the text color, transparency, size, blur, angle, and shadow distance. Please refer to the video tutorial for additional guidance. Remember to format the text, then apply the deflate bottom text effect to transform the text. Drag the round yellow dotted icon in the middle of the text to adjust it for a more appealing presentation. Insert a 4-point star shape. Next, choose the option to fix the position on the page. Select No Outline for the shape outline and change the shape fill to white. Adjust the size of the 4-point star shape according to the instructions provided in the video tutorial. Follow the video tutorial to change the position of the 4-point star shape. Format the 4-point star shape by selecting white as the glow color and setting the glow size to 2 points. Next, choose the 3D format and apply the settings according to the instructions provided in the video tutorial. Duplicate the 4-point star shape by pressing Ctrl+D. Adjust the size of the duplicated 4-point star shape. Move the position of the 4-point star shape according to the instructions in the video tutorial. Drag the round yellow dotted icon to make its pointed edges smaller and thinner. Remove the glow effect from the duplicate 4-point star. Format the 4-point star shape by selecting 3D format and applying the settings shown in the video tutorial. Position the duplicated 4-point star shape in front of the original star shape. Again, duplicate the 4-point star shape by using Ctrl+D. Adjust the position of the duplicate 4-point star shape according to the instructions provided in the video tutorial. Again, duplicate the 4-point star shape by pressing Ctrl+D. Reposition the duplicate 4-point star shape according to the instructions provided in the video tutorial. Duplicate the 4-point star shape by pressing Ctrl+D. Again, move the duplicate 4-point star shape according to the instructions provided in the video tutorial. Duplicate the 4-point star shape by pressing Ctrl+D. Change the position of duplicate 4-point star shape by following the video tutorial instructions. Again, duplicate the 4-point star shape using Ctrl+D. Again, change the position of the duplicate 4-point star shape by following the instructions in the video tutorial. Again, duplicate the 4-point star shape by pressing Ctrl+D. Again, move the duplicate 4-point star shape according to the video tutorial instructions. Duplicate the 4-point star shape by using the shortcut Ctrl+D. Then, move the duplicate 4-point star shape following the video tutorial instructions. Again, duplicate the 4-point star shape by pressing Ctrl+D. Then, adjust the position of the duplicate 4-point star shape according to the video tutorial instructions. To enlarge the Word document, Follow the instructions in the video tutorial. To save the Facebook cover image, take a screenshot of the Word document and save it. I used a utility software named Advanced System Care. If you are interested, the link is provided in the description below. Open both images side by side to compare them. Nice. Thank you for sticking around until the end. If you enjoyed this video, please help me out by hitting the thumbs up button below. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon to be notified as soon as I upload new content to this channel. I really appreciate your support. I've included a link to the Word document of the Facebook cover we used in this video in the description below. Just click the first link to grab your copy. Additionally, I've also gathered some powerful resources that inspired the creation of this video. All the links are in the description below, so make sure to check them out. For all the viewers passionate about creativity, don't miss out on this tutorial to design your own standout Facebook cover. I've made it easy for you to personalize everything by editing the linked Word document in the description. Feel free to experiment with fonts, colors, and styles to make it truly your own. Let your imagination run wild. Before I wrap things up, I have an exciting challenge for you. There's a specific word from the tutorial you just watched. If you can identify that word and tell me how many times it appeared in the comment section, I have a fantastic reward for you. I will personally create a free custom 3D text Facebook cover in Word for you, at no cost. Yes, you heard it right. You will receive my service for free. However, please note that this offer is limited to the first 10 people who comment below. Just a quick reminder. You must be subscribed to qualify for this amazing deal. Act fast and be one of the lucky winners before time runs out. Let the word search begin. With that said, stay creative and imaginative. The world is your canvas.